The Honorable Prime Minister will push the button to unveil and mark the inauguration and laying foundation of stones for various projects from the central government in the state of Mizoram. Kan zavain kutibeng ang tunahian project ommek tur parokle zo sa pathum kan hong ahnung kan phumek ani. Let us witness a short film giving insights on these developmental projects. Achuttheyang.
The Northeast, celebrated as the nation's Ashtalakshmi for its cultural diversity and rich natural resources, is undergoing remarkable transformation, with Mizoram playing a key role. Over the past decade, the region has achieved major progress in road networks, railways, air transport, digital infrastructure, power transmission, and social sector development, boosting connectivity and prosperity. Railway investments have been crucial, with the budget for the Northeast increasing fivefold since 2009 to 14.
एक समय था जब नॉर्थ ईस्ट को सिर्फ फ्रंटियर रीजन कहा जाता था, आज ये ग्रोथ का फ्रंट रनर बन रहा है.
And today, to bring the resolution of a developed India from a developed Northeast to fruition, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is giving new impetus to the progress of Mizoram by giving the gift of development project worth more than 9,000 crore rupees, spanning railways, petroleum and natural gas, road infrastructure, minority and tribal affairs, youth programs and sports. Today is a historic day as the Sairang Rail line, whose foundation stone was laid in 2014 by the Honorable Prime Minister, is being inaugurated today, marking the fulfillment of the Prime Minister's commitment to improving Mizoram's connectivity. Traversing challenging terrain prone to seismic activity, the project features remarkable engineering with 143 bridges and 45 tunnels. Mizoram stands out with India's second highest railway pier bridge on the Sairang line, exemplifying engineering excellence and regional progress. The rail line will facilitate efficient transport of goods while opening new markets for Mizoram's bamboo industry. Along with this, today Mizoram is also getting the gift of 3 new train services: Sairang to Delhi Rajdhani Express and express trains from Sairang to Guwahati and from Sairang to Kolkata. The Sairang Delhi Rajdhani Express is the first train to connect Mizoram's capital Aizawl with the national capital Delhi. This rail service is connecting Mizoram to Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. Apart from this, other projects include laying of foundation stone for Aizawl Bypass Road, a 45-kilometer project to improve connectivity and reduce congestion in Aizawl city. Construction of a 30 TMT LPG bottling plant by IOCL at Mualkhang with a storage capacity of 900 MT LPG. Bridge construction over Chimtuipui River on Long Talai to Siaha Road via Tuipui Ferry. Thanzol Sialsuk Road Project, Khankon to Rongura Hoon Road Project, Khelo India Multipurpose Indoor Hall in Tuikual, and inauguration of residential school at Kwartha, Mamet District, Eklavya Model Residential School built in Telangnuam. With visionary guidance from Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Mizoram and the Northeast are achieving unprecedented levels of development and connectivity, as developed Northeast is a prerequisite for developed India.
Tunahian flagshing hi avayanga tichuan railway service aron in chando na ni kan zawai na rem chuan kan how to pa screen alan sung hian loading zelang u nasa takin good bengila Mizoram in railway service ani ta ani tunahian Rajdhani Express Sairang changa Anand Vihar Delhi akal chana Sairang changa Guwahati Assam a flag of Megboka Sairang changin Kolkata West Bengal rail akal chan Megbok ani vo in hi nitin sia tak a milestone, a historic day in the history of Mizoram and transport and communication in India. Gudben Thalawila, our Prime Minister is flagging off Gud Ibeng Zelang kanon thok